Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to make your cutting tasks easier and more efficient: the cordless electric scissors. We found this versatile rechargeable cutter online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these cordless electric scissors? Designed for both home and professional use, these scissors are not your ordinary cutting tool. They come with a robust 4V rechargeable battery and are perfect for a variety of materials, including fabric, cardboard, leather, plastic, and even carpet. This means whether you're tackling a DIY project, sewing intricate patterns, or handling heavy-duty materials, these scissors have got you covered. Let's talk about some of the standout features. First off, these scissors are incredibly lightweight, weighing just 0.91 pounds, making them easy to maneuver and reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures that you have a firm grip, allowing you to work comfortably, whether you're engaged in detailed crafting or cutting through thick cardboard. Safety is a top priority when using any cutting tool, and these electric scissors come equipped with an innovative safety start mechanism. This feature requires you to press a safety button before you can activate the scissors, which effectively prevents any accidental activation. Additionally, a sturdy metal shield protects the cutting blade, exposing only a narrow gap for cutting, ensuring you can work safely without compromising on effectiveness. Plus, the integrated LED light illuminates your cutting area, making it easier to see what you're doing, especially in low-light environments. Now, let's discuss precision. Operating at 220 revolutions per minute, these scissors feature a high-speed motor and a razor-sharp 1/4-inch blade designed for both straight and curved cuts. You'll find that they outperform traditional manual scissors, providing consistently clean and accurate cuts across a wide variety of materials. Whether you're working with delicate fabrics or thick cardboard, these scissors are designed to deliver exceptional results with minimal maintenance and easy cleaning. Another major advantage is their rechargeable and cordless design. The advanced USB charging capabilities mean you can easily recharge the robust 4V lithium battery, which provides up to 25 minutes of high-performance operation. The cordless feature gives you unparalleled freedom to maneuver without being tethered to a power source, making it ideal for tight spaces or larger projects. Additionally, the built-in power level indicator keeps you informed of the remaining charge, so you'll know when it's time to recharge. So who are these cordless electric scissors suitable for? They're perfect for a wide range of users, from DIY enthusiasts and crafters to professional seamstresses and industrial workers. If you often find yourself cutting various materials, these scissors will become an invaluable tool in your arsenal. Whether you're creating home decor items, sewing garments, or even tackling packaging tasks, the versatility of these scissors means they can adapt to your needs. In practical use cases, you can utilize these scissors for crafting projects, cutting fabric patterns, trimming carpets, or even slicing through plastic packaging. They are ideal for anyone looking to simplify their cutting tasks while ensuring precision and safety. In conclusion, the cordless electric scissors are a game-changer for anyone who needs a reliable, versatile cutting tool. With their ergonomic design, safety features, precision capabilities, and rechargeable functionality, these scissors are sure to enhance your crafting, sewing, and project experiences. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.